Okay, so just a very quick overview of what you can expect to find in Ducky Dollars in this very quick demo. I'm here in the members area. Obviously there's a welcome here from me and also from my business partner Aktar, or at least there will be when she records it. Just before we do that, as usual with these things, you know, most people I think at this stage probably do know who I am, but if you're brand new you won't do. So obviously you will have seen the sales page, you'd have seen there are some income proofs on it. I just want to do a quick update in real time here. I'm just going to go over to my Warrior Plus account and I'm just going to like go in and out of a page just so you can see that this isn't like a screenshot or anything like that. Just bear with me while it just updates. There we go. There's some recent earnings and there is bang up to date. So we're here on the 16th of September. My income, as you can see, in the last 30 days is $25,450 in the last 5 days, 5,535. You can see I've got earnings yesterday and today, so the stuff that I do works. And you know, I've built this up from zero earnings at the start of 2019. So, you know, I've got to this sort of earnings level in, you know, a year and a half, something like that. So, in fact, less than that, because I've been at this level now sort of since about February of this year. So, just want to show you everything is totally achievable. It is hard work. I'm not going to say that, you know, you can just press a couple of buttons and get this income. But if you're prepared to graft and put in the hours, you know, around your job, you know, around your part-time situation, or indeed full-time, if you're in a position to be able to do that, then, you know, this sort of income figure is very readily achievable to all of those who focus and are persistent and consistent with their efforts. So that said, let's go and have a look at Ducky Dollars, because social media marketing is a very important ingredient of that jigsaw, and if you get it right, you can fast track your efforts to success. So what we've got in Ducky Dollars is we're going to have an overview from me of the entire system, and then I'm going to hand you into the good hands of my colleague Aktar, who's going to take you through everything in here, including you know, the crucial top secret places and top secret elements that are part of the Ducky Dollars method. We've then got resources back to me for a conclusion video. All of your bonuses which are on the sales page, you'll find them delivered here, and your upgrades here, and there may be some unadvertised bonuses as well. So everything's nice and compact, very easy to follow training. You know, there's only 8 videos to go through there, plus the overview video. So, you know, you're not going to be swamped with work here. They're all short, easy to follow, over the shoulder videos. I think about 10 or 12 minutes is the longest video in the set. So you know, it's not something that's going to take you hours to master. So I hope very much that you will join us inside this members area, and I look forward to taking you through the training, myself and Aktar do, and get you you know, transforming your results with social media marketing.